Hey everybody, this is Steve from New Finish Columbia. Thanks for joining my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Hello everyone, my name is Steve. This is New Finish Columbia's detailing YouTube channel. It's nice for you to join me today. I hope you're interested in what I have to say, and I hope it helps you out in your day-to-day whenever you're hustling or detailing cars or just working on your own stuff in your garage. So my tip for today has to do with the rigid vacuum cleaner. I have the 4-gallon 5-horsepower vacuum cleaner, the little orange one, and the car attachment accessory pack that comes with the orange hose with the black ends on it. I found myself having to put the ends back on the hose all the time because they just kept backing off. So what I did is I wrapped some duct tape around the ends so they're not coming off now. Now, I can vacuum all kinds of stuff up, keep my flow going, and I'm not going to have any problems having to stop, take time, put it back on there, especially when you got gloves on, it's hot, whatever. I just don't have to worry about it anymore. So, I hope that helps you out. If you're interested in the channel, you want to see some more different stuff, maybe you have detailing questions or you want to see what stuff I use or where I got it from, there's links in below for the stuff that I use, some of them, and feel free to leave comments, ask me questions. I'll answer any questions I can, and hope you have an awesome day. Thanks.